Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to post videos from YouTube to Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Watch the video to the end. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go to YouTube. Then find the video that we want to put on Instagram. We're going to click on the three dots on that video. Click Share here. We click Copy Link. Then we go to Instagram. We click on Add Your Story. Select any photo. At the top, we have text, music, add. We click Smiley, add link. Here, we have to insert a link to our video that we'd added. Click Done. And as you can see, there's this link. We can make it bigger, smaller, right or left. Click Add Story. Now the story is published. Once it's published, we can go into the story. There's a link. We click on it, and it automatically takes us to the video that we copied the YouTube link to. This video, this is what it looks like. If you liked this video, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. See you later. Goodbye, everybody.